Hey, music teachers! For those who don't know, Musicplay Online is a fabulous resource filled to the brim with songs to use throughout the year. It can get a little overwhelming, so today we're going to talk about how to find week-specific lessons. Head over to the lesson planning section on Musicplay Online. And let's click right into Grade 3. If you scroll down a little, you'll see all the month outlines and the weekly lessons organized neatly in this section. Let's say you're planning a lesson for the second week of October. Find the October section and go to week 2. Now you have a choice. The PDF week 2 outline will contain the lesson outline separated by type of activity. You'll see the songs that are introduced this week and their concepts. Below, you'll see the songs that are reviewed from the previous weeks. The activities in these songs are then separated into play, move, listen, create, read, write, and assess categories. These activities were pulled from the song activities to give you a quick overview. If you scroll down, you'll see that this document has all the song activities for the songs that are presented in this week. If you want to print this package, please download it to your computer and print it from there. The second choice you have is the little spyglass. If you click this, you'll be brought to the songs on Musicplay Online that are introduced in this week. You'll find the weekly overview here, and the song activities here. Musicplay is a buffet. Choose the songs and activities that will work best for your classroom. Denise has compiled a list of core songs that may help if you're feeling a little overwhelmed. Check out our Core Songs video on YouTube to find out more. Don't forget to join our vibrant community of music teachers on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube.